I almost step on them.
This guy's making it hard for himself. Especially with that rock. Now these are working together, there's three of them.
Oh yeah, pushing it uphill. Oh, this guy just fell out. This is the biggest beetle here. I'll get out of your picture. This one seems to be having the most success. This is Chimalacatlan, I think is the name of this place. It's hard to remember. I'm usually good with these names, but it's Chimalacatlan. I'm not even sure if that's right. But this is the first time for any of us here. I'm here with Lilia, Eric, Rocio, and we're going up here. The camera can't pick it up, but there's some pyramids on the top of this mountain. So that's where we're headed. This is not even a small town or small village. It's pretty cool. This is, I think maybe Lilia and Rocio, the Mexicans, maybe don't appreciate this, but I think Eric and I, as the non-Mexicans, love this kind of scenery. It was a little bit muddy to start. It's been raining lately. That's why everything is so green. And we've seen a few dung beetles as evidenced. Very cool looking. I guess we could have driven down here, but we elected to walk. It looks like it should be a nice walk. Might have been a difficult drive. It's a dirt road, rocky road, maybe difficult to get to in a car. Nicer to get to by foot, I think, and probably the best bet. Let's see what happens. Are you hot?
Yes. Sweating.
Yeah, it's pretty hot today. Hot down here in this southern part of Morelos state, always. It's supposed to be like 30 32, 34 degrees today. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. It's probably close to 30 already.
Look at the chipmunks. Se ve bonito, ¿no? Ya tienes miedo.
Pero ahora sí está funcionando.
I like those beautiful cactus.
Yeah.
And can you move out of my...
Here's the pyramid on the top of this mountain or hill. Whoops. I don't like that zoom. There's a bonus pyramid. I guess the main one is up there. And there's this lesser pyramid.
The pyramid made of just rocks collected and put together.
Yeah, this might not be a pyramid. This might just be
Anything.
something that a farmer and his friends made.
It's not the safest to stand in the edges.
Yeah, there's nothing holding these rocks.
No,
I'm always amazed.
so don't stand on the edge.
There's no mortar or concrete of any kind. I guess I was wrong. This is some sort of archaeological site because this is a ball court. So this might be, who knows, man, anywhere from 800 to 1200 years old, I'm not sure.
I guess this is where we go
Okay.
over the highway.
This seems to be the most remote pyramid ever. The most remote archaeological site. We're walking through a forest now for about the last 10 minutes. All right, making some progress. That's the Metallica platform. James Hetfield welcomes you with some riffs up here. Huge cactus tree up here. Cactuslandia here. strange seeing cactus in a forest.
Yeah.
Is this a forest?
You haven't got the idea that this is a forest?
No, because I see cactus.
Oh, touche.
Like chestnuts.
Wow.
I don't think this is from chestnuts. It just looks almost the same. This is from.
Oh, and here's the pyramid. And wow, one of the
I got a picture from down here.
tallest cactus
Mhm.
you'll ever see, I think. And there's the pyramid. We made it to the pyramid. The main pyramid.
Wow. Qué vista.
Hey, see, now you get your picture, Rocío.
¡Qué vista! Wow.
Superficie aquí para caminar.
Yes,
It's a strange surface to walk on. No sé si se me va a ir el pie para abajo.
We're on to the next pyramid. Turns out the one we were just on wasn't the one that I'd shown in the video earlier and that I had seen from the village and everywhere. This one is higher than where we were. I think this is the one that I've pointed out. The one we were on just now wouldn't have been visible from the village or any of the places where I showed it earlier in the video. So it seems that this is the highest pyramid. Maybe. Oh, we can still go higher. This is the village over here. I'm panning the wrong way. All right, this should be the highest pyramid. Seems you can't get up this way. Have to go this way. Go to your left. Go to your left. There we go. This is the main pyramid. There's the village down there.
Please don't take my video. I'm sweaty, red and tired. Well, I need to sit in the shade. found everybody. My navigation skills are better than I thought.
How do you feel?
Tired, hot, sweaty. With a lot of sun on me.
Anything positive to say?
Yeah, they do. Many shades of green and blue. It would be perfectly fine to wash my hands on this water, right? Is it dirty?
I wouldn't drink it, but
No,
to wash
I'm
your
not
hands, I
gonna
guess
do
you're
it.
fine.
My hands feel sticky and dirty.
Yeah, it's rainwater, so.
Let's watch what happens to her hands when she puts them in the water.
I'm sure it's perfectly
Let's see if she can do it without falling in the water.
Which is 2 centimeters deep. See, the position is what's difficult.
You really make your life very difficult.
No, I'm making it easier because I need
You
my
couldn't
hands
just crouch down?
clean. Oh, this feels delicious and it's warm. Oh, I want to put my face in. Oh, qué rico. That's like a nice spa water.
I've been bemoaning the fact all day that, and I don't usually bemoan, I'm not a bemoaner, but I've been bemoaning a few things all day, that I'm ill prepared for this. This was a hike, this was 2.5 hours. It was an hour and a half drive and a 2.5 hour hike to get up to the pyramid. A leisurely hike and an easy hike. There was never any point where it was steep or that you needed your hands, wide paths, wide road. But a couple of things. One, I chose fashion over practicality, which I usually don't do. As you can see, I'm wearing shoes, just normal Reebok shoes. Normally I would have worn hiking boots. Isn't this fascinating? Because I wasn't expecting, I thought we were just going to pull up in front of the pyramid in the car and walk 20 or 30 seconds and be at the pyramid, but I didn't realize that this was actually a hike. Also related to that, another bemoaning fact was that I didn't bring any water, and it's hot. It's like 30, maybe 32, 33, 34 degrees, and I actually did bring a thermal water, bottle of cold water, a thermal bottle full of cold water, and left it in the car. I don't know why. I again thought, this is just a short little walk, not a hike. So I may be found dead of dehydration, not starvation. I've had some snacks that I also didn't bring. They were courtesy of Rocio. But I'm hot and thirsty. But notice I'm complaining when nobody's around. I don't like to complain in front of people. I like to complain publicly on YouTube where dozens of people only will see it. And so we're at the highest point in the pyramid, and it's pretty cool. Way, way, way better than I thought. Sky is fantastic today. You couldn't ask for a better sky. It was fairly cloudy the whole way we got here. The whole time we were driving here, and then we got here, it cleared up. So sky looks really, really nice today. Just enough clouds that it gives it some form or some shape. Sometimes a 100% completely blue sky doesn't look quite as nice, but you also wouldn't want a cloudy day. Beautiful, just lush green hills and the peat of the rolling hills. That was my terrible Jerry Seinfeld impersonation when he was pretending to be Murphy or O'Brien. No, George was O'Brien. I think Jerry was Murphy. I don't know where the rest of my party is, but it's pretty cool up here. I like it a lot. I thought we was at the highest point, but we got up a little bit higher. We just saw and heard a couple of, we're not sure if they were eagles or hawks, but one chasing another one, screeching and screaming. What a great day and a great hike this turned out to be. Much longer and way better than I was anticipating. For over 4 hours, about 4 hours 10 minutes, 4 hours 15 minutes from the car to the pyramid and back. Excellent, very hot. Turned out to be a beautiful day. The weather was somewhat questionable this morning. We're almost back at the car now. Green, more green than I've ever seen. There's a farmer up here as we walk through the mud. Buenas tardes, buenas tardes.
Está bien que ya fueron a desayunar.
So we're back in the village now. We're just at the car up here. The car is parked on this dirt road. And the guy's talking about me taking a video. If I want to get on the horse? For what? The picture? Why are they asking if I want to get on the horse? Nobody else. All right, I'm going to get on a horse.
Sí. I'm filming you. Sí.
Ahora me vas a seguir, niña.
Y nosotros vamos a regresar en carro, ¿verdad?
Do you know how to turn? Turn him. Dan. Turn.
Háblele, que camine.
¿Quién sabe? You're a bit useless then, but you look good.
I'm riding a horse. Go. Vámonos, vámonos.
Eso, así. ¿Ya ve que entiende?
Ajá.
Alright, I'll put on the brakes.
Ahora, ¿por qué lo para allá?
Now turn him this way, he's saying.
¿En cuál dirección? ¿Adelante? ¿Atrás?
Oh.
I got the hang of this horse.
Vamos para allá. Vámonos.
And then that's how Dan rode away into the sunset.
Sí. No hay mucha gente que siga tirando, ¿verdad?